In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter stocks in TradingView. Now, the easiest way to do this is by using the stock screener. So you want to go to the bottom right here and click on this screener over here. However, if you cannot see this target icon, you want to click on products down here and then click on screeners. Of course, you could also pin it over here by clicking on this star icon, and then it's going to appear over here as well, okay? So click on the screener, and there we go. First, you want to select the stock screener up top in case something else is selected. And of course, over here, you can do all stocks or use any of the presets in case you have any pre-made, okay? So I'm going to go to stock screener and then all stocks. And in here, you can now filter stocks. So of course, you can filter them by market over here. So for example, I'm going to do USA. You can filter by watch list. You can filter by index. So I'm just going to do, for example, S&P 500 over here. And it's going to filter like that. You can filter by price as well over here. And then percentage change like this, etc. Okay? So that's how you can do this. And you have like a bunch of different filters here, as you can see, like market cap, P&E, of course, price to earnings ratio, EPS, etc. There's a bunch of different things you can filter. And of course, over here, you could also use this plus button to add different filters as well, which are over here. As you can see, there's a bunch of different ones you can actually add, and that way filter your stocks in TradingView. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.